Student, let me see question number 4 of the exercise 3.2 here. So question number 4, which of the following pair of linear equation are consistent or not consistent? It means to say inconsistent. So here is question, and if the pair of linear equation are consistent, it means to say you have to solve graphically. So student, here is part 1. So on comparing a1x given y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x b2y plus c2 equal to 0. So here students, we can write both equation. So here you see a1 equal to 1 and b1 equal to also 1 and c1 equal to minus 5 and a2 equal to 2 and b2 equal to 2 and c2 equal to minus 10. So for ratio, we find out the condition one by one. So first we let a1 over a2 is not equal to b1 over b2. So here 1 over 2 and that is already 1 over 2. So here student, you see 1 over 2 and this is 1 over 2 already, which is satisfied this condition. It means to say we take next, that is c1 over c2. It means to say c1 over c2 minus 5 over minus 10, that is already 1 over 2. We can say that a1 over a2 equal to b1 over b2 equal to c1 over c2. We find out this types of condition a pair of linear equation. So when you find out a1 over a2, b1 over b2 and c1 over c2, it means to say have a infinite solution. So here, so have many solution. I have told you about when a pair of linear equation have solution, it means to say consistent. So these are called consistent a pair of lines here. So students, when a pair of line is consistent, so you have to obtain solution graphically. So for obtain solution graphically, first we take x plus y equal to 5. This is the first equation. And second equation is 2x plus 2y equal to 10. So let me take first. So that is x and y for this equation. So here student, you see x equal to 2, y equal to 3 and here you see x equal to 0, so y equal to 5. And for this x and y, so here also we can amuse 2 and 3 and 0 and 5. Otherwise you would like to suppose any kinds of number, you can take this satisfied the equation also. So let me take the graph and here you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and here also -1, -2, -3, -4 and -5, and here also -1, -2, -3, -4 and -5. You can make quadrants here. So this is the x-axis, you know, and this is the y-axis, you know. And in a graph notebooks, you can take the box x equal to 2. So we have to forward on x-axis 2. That is the x-axis 2. And here y equal to 3. So y equal to 3, that is 3. So that lines comes here. So 2 and 3. It means to say that points 2 and 3 comes here, and after that x equal to 0. So x equal to 0, this is the origin point, and y equal to 5. So y equal to 5, it means to say this is the point y equal to 5, and the points which you have shown here, so you can draw a line. So the line should be this. This is the first equation line, and after that we talk same condition here. So same points we find here also. So the second line should be also on that number. It means to say a many solution here we get. So this is the condition for obtain graphically solution. If the questions are about the solution of graphically, if line is consistent or non-consistent. So if the solution is not obtained, so you should satisfy the condition only. Let me take seconds. So second parts we take here. We take second, x minus y equal to 8. Second part, x minus y equal to 8 and 3x minus 3y equal to 16. 3x minus 3y equal to 16. So this is the second part of question number 4, students. So on comparing, first we write this equation as, and second on comparing, a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, and second a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. So students, here you see first equation, compare here, a1 equal to 1 and b1 equal to minus 1 and c1 equal to minus 8, a2 equal to 3, b2 equal to minus 3 and c2 equal to minus 16. So here ratio. So first we take a1 over a2 and b1 over b2. One by one we can take the conditions. Here you see 1 over 3 and here you see minus 1 over 3, and here you see c1 over c2, it means to say 8 over minus 16. So After that you get here 1 over 3, 1 over 3, and which is not 1 over 3. It means to say the condition satisfied here A1 over A2 equal to B1 over B2 is not equal to C1 over C2. It means to say the lines are inconsistent. The lines are inconsistent. So the lines are inconsistent. It means to say they have no solution. So student, this is the second part you can solve here. Now we can solve third part, fourth part and fifth part as given in question 4. So you can solve by the form applied by consistent or non-consistent. Till then,